Rating Lexi Ross's refrigerator. Let's see what we have. Sprite, A&W, water, Dr. Pepper, or Dr. Pepsi. Pizza. I think that's pizza. Yeah, that's pizza. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup with the soda. Okay, you. Yellow. What are those? Potatoes or something. Grapes. Chocolate sauce. What's that? I think it's Parmesan cheese. Juice. Apple juice. I think. What is it? No, just moved. Strawberry sauce. I think this is fruit punch. Hot caramel. Warm hot caramel all over my body. Apple sauce. Meat. Beef. Pizza, eggs, bracelet. Hot dogs. Bagels.
My refrigerator beeps when it's open too long.
Yeah. Food. Bagels. I can't tell what that stuff is back there, but it's sauce.
It's just stuff.
Juice boxes. More beef, I think. Tomatoes. What is this? How do you get that? Oh, that's so cool.
I know.
Food. What's in here? Let's see. Oh, Danimals. Ooh, I want a Danimal.
Shut up! Damn!
Oranges and stuff. Milk. Butter. Ketchup. Lexi likes ketchup.
Yes, I do.
Cream. Margarine. Sauce. Mustard. And all sorts of other sauce. And Lexi. Well, there it is. We just rated Lexi Ross's refrigerator. I hope you had a wonderful time, and we will catch you next time.
Shut up! God damn!